Hey, Elliot Ash here, and for my Saturday video I'm going to do a 6x6 Mina 3, so just to show that this is a 6x6, there you go. So, while I do the first scramble, the other two scrambles I'm going to pause the recording to do because these scrambles take so long, but I'm going to take the scrambling time to kind of say a few things. First thing I want to wish is a happy birthday to my fantastic father. It is his birthday today on the 28th of April. And just a little update. I was going to race today, but the rain got the best of us. So that's not going to be happening, but I'm probably going to be racing to Hartsmill High Banks next Friday. So that's going to be a fun thing. Alright, there we go. There's the first scramble. I already did a warm-up solve beforehand, so should be good, and this doesn't look like too bad of a scramble. So here we go. The first center, this first center's going pretty well. These aren't bad. These actually aren't bad centers. These are actually quite good. Those are really good centers. Hopefully these edges will fall into place. Constantly looking ahead to see what I can do here. Find out what my next edge is going to be. It's probably going to be blue-orange here. Gotta flip it now. It's actually quite a good solve so far. Hopefully I don't get any bad cases for last four edges, because that'd just be sad. So I average around low 3 minutes. But if I can make something happen here, maybe I could get a 2, which would be great. Full of good cases so far. No parity. I got PLL parity, but that's fine, and a V-perm. Wow, that was almost a PB single. That was almost a PB single. 247, a great start. Okay, I'm going to pause recording to scramble this again. Just in case anyone's wondering, my PB on 6x6, my PB single is a 245.90. You can check in the description below to see a list of all my PBs and all my WCA puzzles. Without further ado, we have another scrambled 6x6. Let's go right into it. See right here we have a completed bar for yellow center, and I already see another easy bar. Wow. Just really easy so far. No complaints about this mean so far. another solve where I didn't have to use commutators to complete the centers, so that always saves a little bit of time. This is actually another pretty good solve. I see it being probably low 3. If I get another 2, that'd be great. Place that edge in wrong. Cost me a couple seconds. But in a mean, seconds are everything. Because there's no, it's not a truncated average, is basically what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I don't see this being another 2. I definitely don't see this being another 2. Nope, I got parity. Crap. Another simple OLL. No PLL parity and another 2. 256. This is also part of a PB average of 5 as well from my last 3 solves. This could be a PB mean of 3. And this is my first take. So, pause it real quick. Alright, here we go. I'm on PB pace. I'm going to really going to concentrate this time, so I'm sorry if I fall silent. That's just the way it's going to be. Alright, what do we got here? What do we got? I see an easy bar. Here we go. I have the most fun with centers. Centers are probably my favorite part of the solve. Which isn't a very popular opinion. Most people hate centers. I only hate centers if they're on a giant cube like the 10 by 10. These actually are not great centers so far. Maybe we'll make something happen here. Do you remember my colors? Remember my color scheme. I had to use a commutator for the centers, but that's fine. Usually on a 6x6 it's to be expected. And pretty much on anything bigger than 5x5 having to use commutators to complete the centers is just something that almost always happens. Crap, where's that edge? Here it is. Again, I'm falling silent, but like I said, that's just how it's going to be. Another parity. Another OLL parity. I have to fix on the last layer to cancel out any possible triple parity I may have. Don't know what I was doing with that. It's still a good solve though. And another OLL that I know. Starting to shake a little bit. I can't do that because it makes me lose focus. Yes. PB mean a 3. That was a 255. Wow, that was just absolutely phenomenal. So that was a 252.87 mean a 3. Final single being a 255.26. So that's actually a PB mean a 3, which is good because I haven't had a PB mean a 3 on 6x6 in a long time, and this is only my first take, so I'm super happy, especially considering the fact that my warm-up solve before the video was the 318.08. So that's my Saturday video, PB mean a 3, so that's absolutely phenomenal. Not bad for 1:30 in the morning when I'm very tired and I'm going to crash right after I'm done recording this video, but I'm going to update my PB sheet real quick. 252.878. Nice, and I can update my average of 5, which is 301.96. 301.961, I think. And then average 12, which is a 307.166. Average of 25 to 312.649. That's a 649, not 09. Average of 53.15.261. There we go. So the cube was a Cubicle Red M. So really helps on 6x6. Magnets make a 6x6. So there you go. That close to PB single, but I'll take a PB mean to 3. Thank you for watching. Drop a like for that awesome mean, which isn't really awesome if you're like the opposite of me in solving abilities, and you know I'm actually like super fast. Because PB, like the world record mean to 3 is like sub minute 30. But I'm happy with my average. I'm happy. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, drop a comment, drop a sub if you'd like. I'd appreciate it. Until then, Elliot Ash is signing out. Adios.